Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy corn. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of corn, either fresh or frozen. We'll also use 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar, plus salt and pepper to season this delicious side dish perfectly. This simple list ensures a rich, flavorful outcome. Now let's get cooking. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your 4 cups of corn kernels. Sauté the corn for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it starts to become tender. This step brings out the natural sweetness. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar to enhance the flavor profile. Next, it's time to make it creamy. Pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of milk. Stir everything together and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Continue to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently, until the sauce begins to thicken to your desired consistency. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced dish. Your delicious creamy corn is now ready to serve. Enjoy it warm as a fantastic side dish with almost any meal. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. We hope you love this easy recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.